Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making vegan avocado chocolate pie. It's a no-bake gluten-free dessert which is not just delicious but healthy too, since we are using almonds, dates, sunflower seeds and other dry fruits for the base of the pie and agave syrup instead of sugar. If you are new here, I make easy vegan recipes, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. Let's start by making the base for the pie. I'm taking approximately 100 grams of almonds, 100 grams of sunflower seeds, 75 grams of seedless dates, 100 grams of pumpkin seeds. You can use only almonds for the recipe and don't have to use different dry fruits. Add all of them to the blender. Then add 50 grams of desiccated coconut powder. Add 4 tablespoons of cacao powder. Blend everything till it turns into a fine powdered mixture. Mix to check if all the nuts and seeds are powdered and there are no big pieces left. You can divide it into 2 or 3 portions if needed and then blend. Take it out in a fresh bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. And then 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Mix everything. If you're using a food processor, you don't have to take it out in a fresh bowl. As you blend more, the dry fruits will release the oil required for the recipe and you don't even have to add additional oil. Check if the powdered mixture is sticking together. If it is, then the base is ready. Take a pie pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. I have used coconut oil. Brush it across the pan. Add the base mixture to the pan. Press it down gently. You can use your hands or a glass or a spoon to press it till it stops moving. We need to make sure that the base is pressed down to maximum and is even across the pan. Once you feel that it's ready, place the pie pan in freezer for minimum 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the vegan chocolate cream. I'm taking 3 medium avocados for this recipe. It's like a blessing when the avocado is not brown and turns out good. Did you know that avocados are also known as alligator pear or butterfruit? It is the only fruit that provides a substantial amount of healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. Some of the health benefits of eating avocados include improving digestion, decreasing risk of depression, and protection against cancer. Add the avocados to the blender. I have added 6 tablespoons of agave syrup. You can always increase or decrease the sweetness as per your choice. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add 150 ml of plant-based milk. Add 150 grams of cacao powder. Blend everything. Look at that. Such moussey texture. This is even perfect for a chocolate mousse if you're planning to make one. I did eat a couple of spoons before using it in the recipe as it's so good. Take out the pie pan from the fridge, add the chocolate mousse to the pan and level it. This feels so good. The texture is on point, and like I said before, when I tasted the chocolate mousse, the creaminess and the sweetness is just perfection. If you want, you can add some desiccated coconut or chocolate chunks on top of the pie. Once done, freeze it for a minimum of 3 hours. After 3 hours, take it out from the freezer. Let it rest at room temperature for 20 minutes. I just added some blueberries for fun and to add color to the recipe. You can add some raspberries, strawberries if you like. Slice the delicious, no-bake, healthy avocado chocolate pie, or some people like to call it as a tart. The best way to eat it would be to let it rest for some more time and it will retain that moussey texture and its perfection. I had seen people making avocado chocolate pie before and had this doubt about the taste, but trust me on this, you've got to try this as it's heavenly and you wouldn't even know that it's made from avocados. This is a perfect dessert to satisfy your sweet tooth, at the same time not feeling too guilty about eating it. So if you liked today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipments and ingredients I use in the description section. If you are still looking for healthy vegan desserts, check out this easy vegan key lime recipe. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan video. Until then, bye.